Israel, a comprehensive overview. Situated at the crossroads of the Middle East, Israel is a nation with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and geopolitical significance. Established in 1948, it emerged from the complex historical backdrop of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, and its journey since then has been marked by challenges, triumphs, and ongoing complexities. Historical background. The roots of modern Israel trace back to ancient times when the region was home to various civilizations, including the Hebrews. In the 20th century, the Zionist movement gained momentum, advocating for the establishment of a Jewish homeland. The Balfour Declaration in 1917 expressed British support for a national home for the Jewish people, and the subsequent League of Nations granted Britain the mandate to administer Palestine. Post-World War II, amid the horrors of the Holocaust, international sympathy for the Jewish cause intensified. In 1947, the United Nations proposed the partition of Palestine into Jewish and Arab states. The State of Israel was declared in 1948, leading to a war between Israel and neighboring Arab states. This conflict set the stage for the enduring Israeli-Palestinian struggle. Geography and demographics. Israel's geographical landscape is diverse, encompassing coastal plains, mountainous regions, and the arid Negev desert. The Jordan River and the Dead Sea form natural borders, and the Sea of Galilee lies to the north. Despite its small size, Israel's geography plays a crucial role in its strategic importance. The population is a melting pot of diverse backgrounds. Jews constitute the majority, but there are significant Arab, Druze, and other minority communities. Hebrew is the official language, reflecting the revival of a language dormant for centuries. The capital city, Jerusalem, holds immense religious significance for Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike. Society and culture. Israeli society is characterized by its pluralism, reflecting the diverse origins of its population. The absorption of Jewish immigrants from various parts of the world has contributed to a mosaic of traditions, languages, and cuisines. The kibbutz movement, emphasizing communal living and agriculture, played a vital role in shaping early Israeli society. Religious diversity is also prominent, with Judaism being the predominant religion. Jerusalem, housing sites sacred to Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, is a focal point of religious significance. Despite these shared roots, religious and secular tensions persist, adding layers of complexity to Israeli identity. Culturally, Israel has produced influential literature, music, and cinema. The Israeli film industry in particular has gained international acclaim, addressing both historical and contemporary themes. Economic development. Israel has evolved from an agrarian society to a technologically advanced nation known as the Startup Nation. The emphasis on education and innovation has propelled Israel into a global hub for research and development. Notable achievements include advancements in cybersecurity, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Tel Aviv, often referred to as the Mediterranean Silicon Valley, is a bustling economic center with a thriving tech ecosystem. However, economic disparities persist, and social welfare remains a significant policy challenge. Geopolitical challenges. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict remains a central geopolitical challenge. The complex territorial disputes, refugee issues, and divergent narratives continue to hinder the prospects of a comprehensive resolution. The construction of settlements in the West Bank, considered illegal under international law, further complicates the situation. Israel's relationships with its neighbors, including Egypt and Jordan, have experienced both tensions and periods of cooperation. The broader Middle East dynamics, with Iran's regional influence and ongoing conflicts, shape Israel's security concerns. Security and military. Given its geopolitical context, Israel has developed a robust military apparatus. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, play a pivotal role in safeguarding national security. Historical conflicts, such as the Six-Day War in 1967 and the Yom Kippur War in 1973, have shaped Israel's security doctrine. The construction of barriers like the West Bank barrier and ongoing military operations reflect the complex security challenges Israel faces. Peace processes and diplomacy. Various peace initiatives and negotiations have sought to address the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The Oslo Accords in the 1990s aimed at establishing a framework for a two-state solution, but progress has been intermittent. Regional developments, such as the Abraham Accords in 2020, normalizing relations with some Arab states, have altered diplomatic dynamics. The United States has been a key ally, providing military aid and diplomatic support. The role of other international actors, including the European Union and the United Nations, underscores the global interest in resolving the long-standing conflicts in the region. Israel stands as a nation intricately woven into the fabric of history, culture, and geopolitics. Its journey from the pages of ancient history to the forefront of modern innovation reflects a resilient spirit amid ongoing challenges. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict, geopolitical complexities, and the pursuit of peace shaped the narrative of this nation, which continues to navigate the delicate balance between its historical roots and a future yet to unfold. Israel's economic success and relative wealth can be attributed to several factors. Innovation and technology. Israel has established itself as a global leader in innovation and technology. The country has a robust startup ecosystem, with a high concentration of tech companies. Israeli entrepreneurs and researchers have made significant contributions in fields such as cybersecurity, biotechnology, agritech, and artificial intelligence. Education and research. Israel places a strong emphasis on education, particularly in science and technology. The country has world-class universities and research institutions, producing a highly skilled workforce. The emphasis on research and development has led to breakthroughs in various industries, contributing to economic growth. Immigration. Israel has experienced waves of immigration, especially of highly educated and skilled individuals. Jewish immigration, including the influx of scientists, engineers, and professionals, has enriched the country's human capital and contributed to its economic development. Military expenditure. While significant military spending is often a challenge for many countries, Israel has turned its defense needs into an economic advantage. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, have fostered a culture of innovation and technologies developed for defense purposes often find commercial applications. Global trade and partnerships. Israel has actively engaged in global trade and formed strategic partnerships. Trade agreements, particularly with the United States and the European Union, have facilitated exports and foreign investments. The country's small domestic market has encouraged businesses to look beyond borders for growth. Natural resources. While Israel lacks significant natural resources, it has managed its resources efficiently. The country has invested in water conservation and technology, addressing its historical water scarcity issues and becoming a global leader in water management. Government policies. Israel's government has implemented policies that support economic growth and entrepreneurship. This includes investment in infrastructure, tax incentives for research and development, and a regulatory environment that encourages business innovation. Diaspora contributions. The Jewish diaspora, particularly in the United States, has played a role in supporting Israel's economy. Financial investments, philanthropy, and business partnerships with the global Jewish community have contributed to the country's economic success. Resilience. Israel has faced security challenges throughout its existence, fostering a culture of resilience and adaptability. This mindset is translated into a dynamic economy capable of navigating uncertainties and challenges. While Israel's wealth and economic success are notable, it's essential to recognize that the distribution of wealth within the country is not uniform, and there are socioeconomic disparities that the government continues to address. Additionally, geopolitical challenges, such as the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict, can impact economic dynamics in the region. The achievements of Jewish individuals in Israel and around the world span various fields, reflecting the significant contributions made by the Jewish community to human civilization. Here are some notable areas where Jewish individuals have excelled. Nobel Prizes. Jewish individuals have been disproportionately represented among Nobel Prize laureates, particularly in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, and economics. Scientists like Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Marie Curie have made groundbreaking contributions to their respective fields. Technology and innovation. Israel, often referred to as the startup nation, has witnessed remarkable achievements in technology and innovation. Israeli entrepreneurs and companies have played a crucial role in developing breakthroughs in cybersecurity, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and various other high-tech industries. Arts and culture. Jewish artists, musicians, writers, and filmmakers have significantly influenced the world of arts and culture. Figures like Marc Chagall, Leonard Cohen, Bob Dylan, and Steven Spielberg have left an indelible mark on their respective fields, contributing to the global cultural landscape. Business and entrepreneurship. Jewish individuals have been prominent in business and entrepreneurship, with many successful leaders and innovators making a significant impact. Figures like Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google, and Warren Buffett have achieved remarkable success on the global stage. Humanitarian and social contributions. Jewish individuals have been active contributors to humanitarian causes and social justice. Humanitarians like Elie Wiesel, founder of the Elie Wiesel Foundation for Humanity, and social activists like Ruth Bader Ginsburg have worked tirelessly to promote human rights and equality. Medicine and healthcare. Jewish individuals have made groundbreaking contributions to medicine and healthcare. Jonas Salk, who developed the first effective polio vaccine, and Paul Farmer, co-founder of Partners in Health, exemplified Jewish contributions to global health. Academic excellence. Jewish scholars and academics have excelled in various disciplines, contributing to advancements in knowledge and understanding. Notable figures include Sigmund Freud in psychology, Noam Chomsky in linguistics, and Milton Friedman in economics. Philanthropy. Jewish philanthropists have played a significant role in supporting various causes worldwide. Figures like George Soros and Michael Bloomberg have made substantial contributions to education, public health, and social justice. Political leadership. Jewish individuals have held key political positions globally. Golda Meir, the fourth Prime Minister of Israel, made history as one of the world's first female heads of government. In the United States, individuals like Henry Kissinger and Madeleine Albright have served in high-profile diplomatic roles. These achievements underscore the diverse and impactful contributions of Jewish individuals to humanity in fields, ranging from science and technology to arts, culture, and social justice. The collective achievements reflect the resilience, intellect, and creativity of the Jewish community across different continents and historical periods. The question of why Jewish individuals have achieved success across various fields is complex and multifaceted. It's important to note that attributing success to an entire group of people can oversimplify a diverse and dynamic community. However, there are several factors that have contributed to the success of many Jewish individuals. Emphasis on education. Education has been a cornerstone of Jewish culture and identity. The value placed on learning and intellectual pursuits has led to high educational attainment within the Jewish community, fostering a culture that values knowledge and critical thinking. Cultural emphasis on achievement. Jewish culture often places a strong emphasis on achievement and success. This cultural norm, combined with high expectations within families and communities, can create a supportive environment that encourages individuals to strive for excellence in their chosen fields. Historical perseverance. The Jewish community has a history marked by resilience and perseverance. Despite facing historical adversity and discrimination, many Jewish individuals and families have overcome challenges, demonstrating a strong capacity for resilience and adaptability. Entrepreneurial spirit. There is a notable entrepreneurial spirit within the Jewish community. This is particularly evident in Israel, often referred to as the startup nation, where a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship has led to significant achievements in technology and business. Global networks and diaspora influence. The Jewish diaspora has created global networks that facilitate collaboration and success. Jewish communities in different parts of the world have contributed to a diverse range of fields, and connections within this global network have played a role in individual and collective achievements. Value of critical thinking. Jewish tradition places a high value on questioning, debate, and critical thinking. This emphasis on intellectual engagement has contributed to success in fields that require analytical skills such as academia, law, and science. Strong community support. Supportive community structures and networks can be instrumental in individual success. Jewish communities often provide a supportive environment that fosters education, mentorship, and professional connections. Historical professions. Historically, Jews were often excluded from certain professions and industries, leading them to excel in areas where discrimination was less pronounced. This pattern may have contributed to a concentration of Jewish individuals in fields such as finance, academia, and entrepreneurship, philanthropy, and civic engagement. Many successful Jewish individuals are involved in philanthropy and civic engagement. This commitment to giving back to society and addressing social issues has further enhanced their positive impact on communities and institutions. It's crucial to approach discussions about success with sensitivity, recognizing the diversity within any community and avoiding stereotypes. Individual achievements are influenced by a combination of personal traits, cultural factors, and historical contexts. The success of Jewish individuals, like that of any group, is a result of a complex interplay of these factors.